officially time. If you're ready. Yes, boys, they are in. Okay. All right, boys, so I know what you're thinking. Hey, what happened to the carpet that was in there? But here's the thing, guys. Went ahead and took it back out, put it back out in the sun. It's outside. It didn't want to lay down in several spots, so it's just out there. And we had a couple of things we needed to do anyway, so let's just go ahead and kick off. Brand new hood pull is installed. Here's the old one. Yeah, so no more having to use vice grips to open the hood. Guys, that's not a bad job. Just goes through the firewall, has a grommet, you just push through, and then just kind of rides all the way right there, hooks in. Nothing to it. Now everything's good. So what we're fixing to do now is swap out this panel right here on the driver's side. We're going to swap that out, get that in there, and then put the upper portion of the back seat in, because that's the hard part, and then bring the carpet back in after we do a little more trimming. And the goal is to have the interior, other than the door panels, which I need to address that too, put the bottom of the back seat in, and the seat belts and the fronts, and call it good. So that's what's up right now. All right, boys, we got this out. Let's swap this bracket out for the back seat. There it is. And then we got to put that right back. These back seat brackets for the hatches are complicated. I'll show you guys real quick. Got that interior panel out. Now we're gonna swap that. Even with the back seat out, it's a little fun. But yeah, this one not perfect by any means, but it's definitely better. And we'll shine it up and call it good for now. Down the road, maybe we'll do something else. All right, Jizz, so here we go. Quick progress update. As you can see, carpet is back in. We did a bunch of trimming on it, and it is in. Check it out. Back seat. Hold on, let me grab it. Back seat in. Got the bottom in. I don't have the bottom all the way secured down yet. It's just kind of sitting there. But next up, we're going to put a console in this thing. Front seats. Yeah. It's been a job, boys, but we're getting there. A lot more trimming than I anticipated on the carpet, but it is what it is. I need to do some vacuuming and cleaning back here. Eventually, guys, I am going to swap this out. You can see this. Overall, the carpet wasn't bad. It's just this little spot up here, which isn't horrible, so it can ride. Obviously, got this swapped out. You can see the difference. That one's almost white. This one's the correct smoke gray that it's supposed to be. But unfortunately, didn't have one of those for the passenger side, so you know what? We'll fool with that another day. The main thing is it's really starting to look like something, and couldn't be happier with how everything's coming out so far. So we're gonna keep working. Bronte is doing the dreaded 3-valve spark plug.
Crap.
Oh man.
Trying not to break anything.
Yeah, guys, if you've ever done plugs on a 3-valve, you already know. Right. All right, boys, so we're gonna get back to work and have an update for you here in just a few.
Well, that's 75.
All right, guys, this has been a thrash. Huge shout out, Ken, Speed Addict 731. Y'all haven't seen Ken on the channel in a while. He's staying busy doing his thing, but today we got to work on Fox bodies today. Man. It's like an old friend.
Memories. My first Mustang was an '89 GT.
So this is home for you too. Yeah. I think everybody had I had an '89 GT. But guys, this represents. I didn't really film it, but we fought this, and it's still. Let me go over what's not done. I don't have the kick panels in, and I don't have the scuff plates in because I don't have them yet. I cannot find a stock shift knob. But I mean, got the floor mats in, the carpets in, consoles in, seats in. This isn't a huge job, but this was a job, you know?
It is a job.
I mean, it was fun though. It was very rewarding. I mean, the difference, and maybe I'll insert a clip of what the interior used to look like in this car. All right, guys, quick update. what we got rolling here. You can see how nasty the carpet is. But if you look, this is what the carpet should look like. That's what it does look like. So it's gonna be a world of difference. And yeah, I'm excited to bring it back. Try to save this OE carpet. If not, no big deal. Also, one other thing I noted, and you guys, you can see this bottom seat, how nasty it was. And it's very important to keep this bottom seat because it's the original. But also noticed on the seat track here, you've got leg, 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 and no leg. It's broke. And you can see at some point somebody tried to weld it, but I mean it's not perfect by any means, but my God, let me walk around and let you see the carpet on this side. But man, everything's been steam cleaned or new. The console, guys, I'm not gonna lie, is still kind of crappy, but LMR is out of the die, so at one point that's gonna come out. But as you can see, you got the new carpet, the new floor mat. Kid, what do you think, dude?
I like it.
And what about those seats, man? Old Nick Strong worked his magic, steam cleaned them. And then me and Dover got this dash in last weekend. This oh, I'm missing this trim. I gotta get that trim right there. And I thought the ashtray door worked on this, and I'm seriously, guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and put a cup holder console in here because this looks like garbage, even though I've got it shined up.
I'd put the one in with the USB.
Yeah. I've got a black one over there for 4 to 8, but
you need a great one.
yeah, I think we're gonna do that. But I could not find a stock shift knob. That's why that's like that. But guys, I mean, this represents a lot of time. Hell, just getting the back seat to it did not want to stick down, but it's down now. But yeah, guys, I love it. I couldn't be happier. Still got to do headliner, but what'd you say earlier, Ken, about Fox bodies? Never done.
No, never done.
But huge difference. Huge difference. I do have striker bushings.
Yeah.
I gotta put those in. Let's see, guys, I am gonna go ahead and wrap it up here. All I've really got to do, I gotta swap this radiator out. I got another one sitting over there. This one is leaking. But other than that, I got everything rewired in the front. I've got some LED bulbs from Losfit coming. And if you didn't catch the last upload, shame on you, but she's actually rocking a proper set of headlights too now. People are gonna walk by this car, fairly decent 89 GT. I have no idea where it came from. Literally. This has been, I thought this was gonna be a couple of days. No. Not a couple of days. Every time we turned around, something else.
Not that way with the Fox body.
No.
You gotta love them, man, but they will. They'll nickel and dime you to death.
Yes, and it really has.
You gotta look. What the oldest one, the newest one, 93, is now 17 years old. No, 27.
20, yeah.
No, am I calculating that right?
It's 30.
On, kid, do your math. Do your math.
It's 27. Yeah.
27. Okay, yeah.
It's been a hot day, guys. We're tired.
Yeah, I was trying to make myself younger. 27 years old is the newest Fox body, so
it's crazy, guys.
Between trim and everything else,
so the next, probably, I'm gonna say this, probably the next upload you'll see, we're gonna get Pops over here. Well, actually, we're gonna take the car home and we're gonna get Pops to do a burnout in his car. So you are not gonna want to miss that. And I've already told him that's part of the deal. He's got to do a burnout in it. So you're gonna love it. Gonna be freaking awesome because we got to roast these tires off because they're not staying anyway. But yeah, it is what it is. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button because as you can clearly see, we got stuff for days. And if you are an S197 fan, we'll be coyote swapping one on the channel step by step here shortly. Make sure you subscribe for that. Later.